This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. In 2015, 3 buildings in downtown Bushnell started a long journey of restoration. Walls and floors were restored to their original wood, tile and tin to make this property one of the most talked about venues in the area and now available for sale. The main level is finished with a handsome bar made of mahogany, original tin walls and ceilings. The banquet/dining room also has tin ceilings, wood floors, and large windows. A private dining area also features a copper-painted ceiling. This destination has been used for weddings, anniversaries, memorials and more for parties up to 175 people. A great place for a restaurant, bar, or event center. The upper level of the building has a plan started for an apartment space, private party area or could be the owner's home. For more information